We are here to participate in and witness the sacred ceremony of marriage, which has been since the time of the firstborn a means of establishing a house, that is to say, to start a home and a family, for it is by this that the community endures. Brother Marvin, you are and shall be the head of the house. You must lead, but not be a burden. Be strong and loving, considerate and creative, respectful, faithful and understanding. Sister Gail, you are blessed to have a man who will love you, fulfill your needs and protect you. Be humble and loving, appreciative, resourceful, so that you can provide continuous inspiration for your husband, cultural education for your children, and participate in the social development of our nation. Marvin and Gail, you must be as one in your thoughts, beliefs, and action. Though you, Marvin, are to lead, and you, Gail, are to follow.